Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. This week, a significant development is unfolding in Vietnam that has the entire industry talking. The country's Ministry of Health is finally making substantial headway in clearing the massive backlog of medical device registration applications. For months, even years, companies have been stuck in regulatory limbo, but it appears the market is finally unlocking. This is a critical update for anyone operating in or planning to enter the Vietnamese market. To understand the magnitude of this, we have to look back at the cause. The bottleneck began with the implementation of Decree 98, which mandated that all medical devices receive a market authorization license by the start of 2023. This was a major shift towards a more regulated system, aligned with the ASEAN Medical Device Directive's Common Submission Dossier Template, or CSDT. While a positive step towards international standards, the transition created an immense workload for the authorities, leading to a severe backlog. Thousands of applications were stalled, effectively freezing market access for new and existing products alike. Consider the real-world impact. An international manufacturer of diagnostic imaging equipment had their latest C-arm machine, crucial for orthopedic surgeries, stuck in the application queue for over 18 months. Hospitals were waiting, sales channels were dry, and revenue projections were missed, all because of administrative delays. This story was not unique. From simple consumables to complex life-saving devices, products were simply unable to be sold legally, creating enormous uncertainty and financial strain for manufacturers and distributors. The big news now is that the Ministry of Health, through its Department of Medical Equipment and Construction, has been aggressively processing these applications. In recent weeks, thousands of new import licenses have been issued, and a sense of normalcy is returning. This signals a stabilization of the regulatory environment. It shows Vietnam's commitment to a transparent and structured market, which is a very positive sign for long-term investment. However, it also means the floodgates are opening. The market is about to become more competitive than ever, as hundreds of companies that were previously sidelined can now actively sell their products. For medtech companies, this is a pivotal moment. The key takeaway is that having a compliant, high-quality CSDT dossier is no longer just a recommendation. It is the absolute standard for entry. The authorities are clearing the backlog, but their standards have not relaxed. In fact, the efficiency of their review process will now depend on the quality of submissions. This is not the time to be complacent. To succeed in the newly reopened Vietnamese market, your regulatory strategy must be flawless. If your company is looking to navigate this complex but promising landscape, the team at Chen-Global specializes in exactly these kinds of challenges. We help medtech companies ensure their submissions are perfect, accelerating their path to market. For a deeper discussion on your strategy for Vietnam or other ASEAN markets, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.